this is slope, this is calibration knob, and this one you see standard mode, pH mode. Okay. So now first we will set it with pH 4. So I will first wash it with water. Wipe it with the tissue and then dip the electrode in solution pH 4. See, it's working. So if it is not showing 4, using this calibration knob, we should bring it to 4. We'll allow it to settle for a while. Okay, so I'm adjusting now with the knob. Is it increasing? Yes. So it is coming up to 4. It is showing 4. Okay. So again I'll wash it with water. Wipe it because each time solution is different. No, you should wash the electrode properly. Give me one paper there. This is what HCl. This one I checked, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to check with pH 7. Okay. So I'm dipping the electrode in 7. So it is more. Now we'll wait and see if it will reach 7 or not. If it doesn't show, we need to again use the same knob and bring it to 7.
Generally, slope you shouldn't touch good. That is not for your. Map is already calibrating. No? So you have to take care only of the particular calibration. That's it.
I'm slightly changing it. Okay, 7. So again in the beaker we need to wash. So now this electrode is ready to be used. System is calibrated. Okay. So we can, when not in use, simply in KCl solution we need to put, but now we are putting it in distilled water. Okay. Electrode should not get dried out. So when you are doing the practical now, so where is your milk sample? But keep ready. Okay. Keep adding how much according to the procedure, 1 ml each time? 0.5 ml each time. You keep adding still
Until we reach 4.8.
Until we reach 4.8, you should keep on adding. So what we can, I'm adding roughly 5 drops. Already this is washed.
Yes.
Actually, we
5.
should have checked the pH of the milk
Before.
first.
Yes.
I added acid and I am going to check it. It is showing, you make a note of this, we will see gradually how it is decreasing. Actually not needed to make a note. So I am not removing each time while washing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, you are supposed to mix with a glass rod. Give me that glass rod. How much was the value with the first 5 drops? 6.6 it is.
Yes.
What we'll do, first add the acid, mix it nicely and then take the value. Be careful, this you should not hit with the glass rod, neither drop it.
Yes.
Why is it increasing? From 6.6 it should come down.
It's increasing.
शैलजा, दोनों का वो था, एक का जर्मनी में हुआ है, एक का यूके में। मैथ्स करके मुझे ट्राई किया है, उसका भी रिजल्ट चल रहा है।
Yellow or green?
माइक्रो वैल्यू चल रहा है। MS के लिए काफी रिस्पॉन्स किया है। कोरोना की वजह से थोड़ा लेट हुआ। मुझे बताना है।
कौन से सब्जेक्ट में हुआ?
लोगों को भी एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं है। माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के ही दोनों भी एप्लीकेशन है। कुछ एप्लीकेशन है।
6.6 it has come only
Six.
down to 6.58. Means 0.02 has decreased. So we can add little more this time.
You're not measuring 0.5.
No, that's 0.5 mm. That's
6.56. అవును
Very slow.
HCl వేసినావా లేదా దీంట్లో? అసలు తగ్గట్లేదు.
टाइम लेता है शैलजा। एक बार वॉश करेंगे ना शैलजा उसको रिपोर्ट को वो रखे भी सही पीएच नहीं देता है।
See, I added little more. It has come down to 6.4.
4, 3.
Now once I will wash and see. Sometimes it takes controls.
Slow, slow, slow.
See, it has come to 6.2.
2,
Okay,
3.
it has to come down to 4.8. But if you randomly add now, it may go below also. That's why patiently you should do step by step. Okay. This milk it is. Will you start? 8. Milk has curdled now. That is the importance of isoelectric pH. It has on the glass rod also. Until then it was sticky milk only. But at this pH, now you can see curd like thing on the electrode. Okay. See.
4.8.
Actually we got up to 4.81. It is decreasing still. See 4.83. That is also fine.